Who among you have watched the tourism video campaign of Katrina Liagado for Miss Supranational 2026? Panoorin natin. Ano? Tara.
Poland, ano? Tara?
Wow, she's so pretty.
Mabuhay! I'm Maria Patina Megado, proudly representing the Philippines!
Yes, Philippines. Ganda.
Women today deserve a seat in the table. This time, babae naman. We are on fire with men. We are trailblazers, we are leaders, and I think women are definitely a power force in the universe.
Galing. Ganda naman ng places. Is that on BGC? Oh, mabuhay. Mabuhay. Grabe ang ganda ng damit na yun ah. She is really beautiful. Oh, that's it? What do you think? Her face, her visual, her face card is a statement already. Malaki yung chance ni Katrina. Hopefully she gets it. After 13 years, I think it's the right time. It's due time already. What do you think? Comment down below.